Philippines. Please join me guys as I label these candles today. As you can see on my right side, here are the testing candles that we tested before we made this. And this has different sizes. We have small jars, medium, and large. We also have here a peppermint, a fresh bamboo, a lavender, an ocean, a citronella, jasmine and strawberry aroma candles. So let's proceed now guys. We have here a warning labels that we both stick at the bottom of each candle. Here you go guys. Now let's go to the label of each candle. Here is the peppermint. This is the citronella. This is the lavender aroma candle. Next is our fresh bamboo. Smells so fresh. Next is our ocean candle scent. Here comes jasmine on the bigger vessel. The last but not the least, our strawberry candle scent. They are only available in these smaller jars. Since everything has been labeled, let us put on the lid and let it keep at least a week. Now for the bigger jars. Here you go, guys! This is our Metanoia Aroma Candles. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button below. Kindly click the like and share button if you happen to love this video. And smash that notification bell so you will be notified on our next video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.